Hello students, subject English, standard 6, chapter 3.6, The Merchant of Venice. So students, I hope you all understood this chapter. So now let us discuss the question and answer. So students, listen very carefully. Meanings: adventurous, willing to try new or difficult things, which may be often dangerous. Merchandise, goods that are bought and sold. Suitor, a man who wants to marry a particular woman. Casket, a small decorative box. Azad, risk. Adamant, firm or determined. Bond, a legally binding agreement. Tragic, causing great sadness or suffering. Answer the following questions. Where did Antonio live? Answer: Antonio lived in Venice, a prosperous city in Italy. What did the ships of adventurous merchants bring back? Answer: the ships of adventurous merchants brought back spices and other treasures from India and other countries. Question 3. What had the suitors of Portia to choose between? Answer: Portia's suitors had to choose between three caskets: one of gold, one of silver, and one of lead. Question 4. Who was Shylock? Answer: Shylock was a Jewish money lender. Question 5. What did the young lawyer request Shylock to do? Answer. The young lawyer requested Shylock to show mercy, since mercy is a quality of God. How was Antonius' life saved? Answer. When Shylock realized that he could not do what the young lawyer had asked him to do, he accepted defeat, and thus Antonius' life was saved. Read the lesson The Merchant of Venice from the textbook, page number 70 to 73, and answer the following questions given below. Question 1. Say whether the following statements are true or false. A. The merchant ships brought spices and other treasures from India and other countries to Italy. Answer. True. B. Antonio had gone on a large voyage. Answer. False. C. Bassanio was very rich. Answer. False. D. Portia had many brothers and sisters. Answer. False. E. Portia's suitors chose the gold and silver caskets. Answer. True. F. Bassanio borrowed money from Shylock in Antonius' name. Answer. True. G. Shylock was not at all generous. Answer. True. H. Shylock demanded a pound of Antonius' flesh. Answer. True. I. Portia saved Antonio in the court of law. Answer. True. J. Antonio's ship were lost at sea. Answer. False. Question 2. Who was Bassanio? Answer: Bassanio was a young and handsome nobleman who had no money. Question 3. What was the strange condition on which Shylock gave Bassanio the money? Answer: Shylock said that if Antonio failed to return the money within 3 months, Shylock would cut a pound of Antonio's flesh. Question 4. Who chose the silver casket? Answer: The Prince of Aragon chose the silver casket. Question 5. Why did Shylock dislike Antonio? Answer: Shylock disliked Antonio because he sometimes lent money to people without charging any interest on it. Question 6. Name two of Portia's suitors. Answer: two of Portia's suitors were the Prince of Morocco and the Prince of Aragon. Question 7. What was Antonius waiting for and why? Answer: Antonio was waiting for his ships to return with merchandise. He was waiting for the ships because he had put almost all his money in the ships. Question 8. Give the opposites of A. Kind, unkind. Dangerous, harmless, or safe. Question 9. Pick out the words from the lesson which means A. To be successful. Answer: prosperous. B. Willing to give and share. Answer: generous. Question 10. Write a few lines about each character. A. Antonio. Answer: Antonio was a rich merchant who lived in the prosperous city of Venice in Italy. He sent his ships to faraway countries, bringing back spices and other treasures, thus making a lot of profit. He was a kind man with many friends. His best friend was Bassanio, for whom he was even ready to stake his life. B. Bassanio. Bassanio was a young and handsome nobleman with no money. He wanted to marry Portia. He had to go to Belmont to try his luck to marry Portia. He won Portia's hand in marriage. C. Portia. Answer: Portia was a beautiful and intelligent woman. She was the only daughter of a very wealthy man. Her father had died, leaving her a large estate. Her father had written a will on how Portia's husband had to be selected. Portia happily married Bassanio in accordance with her father's will. D. Shylock. Answer: Shylock was a Jewish moneylender. He had a lot of money. He was not a generous person. Money was all that he cared for. He did not like Antonio and wanted to harm him. He got a chance to do so when Antonio went to him to borrow money for Bassanio. He readily gave the money, but with a strange condition which was very cruel and inhuman.